How to fix blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. So without further ado, let's get started. So step 1, check your internet connection. So if you notice that your WhatsApp contacts profile picture appear blurry, the most common reason is the weak internet connection. And now to check this, simply open another internet-based app like YouTube or Instagram and see if it is working properly. And if the internet is slow or not working, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or even restart your router. Now with that, let's move forward to the step 2, that is to check the image quality. So if your own profile picture looks blurry, the issue might be with the image itself. So make sure you are uploading a high resolution image. WhatsApp compress image, so if your picture is already low quality, it may appear even blurrier after upload. And now with that, let's move forward to the step 3, that is to re-upload your profile picture. And now to upload your profile picture, simply open WhatsApp and tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner and simply select settings. Now here tap on your profile name and now tap on the camera icon and choose a high resolution image from your gallery, and once uploaded, check if the issues has been resolved. And now go back to the WhatsApp homepage and tap on the 3 dots again and select settings. And here check if your profile picture is clear. If you have ensured a good internet connection and upload a high quality image, your blurry profile picture issue should be fixed. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.